The Multipurpose Nano all-in-one sink with Waterfall Faucet is a cutting-edge and versatile fixture that combines functionality and aesthetics in one innovative design. This sink is designed to maximize efficiency and convenience while adding a touch of elegance to any kitchen or bathroom space. The standout feature of the Nano all-in-one sink is its integrated waterfall faucet. The faucet's unique design creates a visually striking waterfall effect as water cascades down into the sink, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication to your space. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the waterfall faucet also offers practical benefits, such as a gentle and efficient flow of water that reduces splashing and provides a soothing experience. In addition to the waterfall faucet, this sink boasts a range of multi-purpose features. The sink itself is designed with advanced nano coating technology, which provides a non-porous and easy-to-clean surface. This makes it resistant to stains, scratches, and bacteria, ensuring a hygienic and low-maintenance sink. The Nano all-in-one sink also offers various built-in functionalities. It often includes a cutting board that fits securely over the sink, creating an additional workspace for meal preparation. The cutting board can be easily removed for cleaning or when not in use. Some models also come with a drying rack or dish grid that fits perfectly within the sink, allowing you to dry dishes or utensils without cluttering your countertop. Also, this sink often incorporates a built-in soap dispenser, eliminating the need for a separate soap bottle or dish. The dispenser provides easy access to liquid soap, hand sanitizer, or dishwashing detergent, keeping your sink area organized and reducing countertop clutter. Another notable feature of the Nano all-in-one sink is its versatility. It can be installed in both kitchens and bathrooms, making it a flexible choice for any space. Its sleek and modern design complements various interior styles, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home. The installation process of the Nano all-in-one sink is generally straightforward, and it can be compatible with standard plumbing systems. It often comes with all the necessary installation hardware and instructions, making it easy for homeowners or professionals to set up. Friends, in short, the Multipurpose Nano all-in-one sink with waterfall faucet is a stylish and functional fixture that combines a visually stunning waterfall faucet with advanced features and versatility. Its sleek design, easy maintenance, and various built-in functionalities make it an ideal choice for those seeking a modern and efficient sink solution for their kitchen or bathroom. With its innovative design and practical features, this sink adds a touch of luxury and convenience to any space. Remember to subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow.